Now, ergonomics and lifting techniques. One of the things that's lead in the category of illnesses and injuries in the workplace, particularly in hospitals, are ergonomics. You have a lot of injuries that take place with poor lifting techniques or staff chairs and workstations. For instance, in the year of 2017, and I'm gonna highlight the state of North Carolina because state of North Carolina is actually leading this injury and illness rate. You have for every 100 workers, you had 10.9 injuries. Now I'm getting my statistics from the Bureau of Labor. So for 2017, for every per 100 workers, you had 10.9, an incident rate of 10.9 that took place in nursing facilities and residential facilities. So hospitals led the category of an incident rate of 5.53.8, and that was per 10,000 workers. The leading category for this was ergonomics, poor listening techniques, staff chairs and workstations, people lifting objects with their arms and with their backs instead of with their legs. And that led to a lot of illnesses and injuries within hospitals, and ergonomics is the leading cause of that. So for 2017, you have 51,380 days of work being missed per 10,000 employees. As for the same year, healthcare practitioners suffered 23,570 cases of days missed from work. Now, that's cumulative of different areas like trips, slips, and falls, but ergonomics and back injuries led the way with a lot of the injuries and illnesses that took place in hospitals for the year of 2017.
For more information, click on the link below or visit databrackets.com.